Dash, we start with daily chart. You want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this correction, then any reversal, we can look for buy as a long-term trade, okay? Anyway, as we can see, the price broke the lowest price, and we see we have a divergence. Technically, from now, we can look for the reversal. That's mean any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. But the only thing is, we should know that the overall crypto market, they're following each other, and mostly they're following the Bitcoin. And that's mean in the bigger picture, we don't see the reversal as a confirmation for the reversal yet. But it doesn't mean we cannot look for the reversal. Mostly we try to look for buy from now. If we get any trade setup based on lower time frame, we take the trade. And the only thing is we should have the proper management in case the price it doesn't move in our direction, okay? And if we move to forward chart, we don't have any reversal based on forward chart. That means we need to see what we get here. But what I'm looking for, I'm looking for the breakout of this correction, okay? Anyway, even if we move to daily forward chart, if we refer to the MACD, in the bigger picture, we see we have a divergence, all right? That's why from now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we'll take the trade. And the best things is if we move to 1 hour chart, and if we move to 1 hour chart, there was opportunity to look for buy from here. Whoever get the trade from this correction, they should move their stop loss to break even, because we want, in case the price reverse, because we mentioned any trade we consider as a short term, and if it's not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade. At least move our stop loss to break even if we wants to keep the trade. And right now, whoever get the trade, they should move their stop loss to break even. And still, we can look for this one. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. Either we consider as either as a flag, or it turns to a more complex correction. But what I'm looking for, I want to see if there is a continuation. We want to see the breakout of 140 following by a 150. We want to see the breakout of this zone. That's mean if there is a continuation, this is the next levels we can look for. All right. Anyway, either we take the trade as a flag, or deeper correction, which is a flat. That's meaning internal trade within the correction. If we get any trade setup, if it's not moving our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 4 hours. It depends. If we are going to lose the flag, that's mean if this is the only correction, the only way is to put our entry above the top. And what we want to see the continuation as a short move, similar to what we get here. But if the price tag and we see it's not moving, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. And if we get the trade, as I mentioned, if we get a bigger correction in, and we get the trade within the correction based on lower time frame, and if it with the price didn't move in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 4 hours. Within 2 to 4 hours, we should make a decision whether we should keep the trade or not. It depends which way we're going to take the trade. Okay. Anyway, right now we're looking at this correction. If we get any trade set of a buy, we will take it. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.